Hi everyone! On this occasion, Simple Decor Ideas will do a review. The items we will review this time are Ikea Pivring Backpack. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I was looking for a medium-sized backpack with handles, and I found this one. It's made of lightweight material, but is strong enough to be my everyday purse. This bag would be great for little kids to use for school or car trips. This is the best backpack for students, day job workers, or anyone looking to have a decent-sized space to carry around all day long. The bag offers plenty of space for you to house a 14-inch laptop or tablet with a padded compartment, so you don't have to worry about minor shocks or impacts on your gadgets. It also features additional space that can house some extra clothes, a water bottle, a lunchbox, and some files. Whatever you intend to use this bag for, it will not let you get tired with the right design and comfortable straps to pull around your shoulders. The added mesh pocket is there, so you can keep your essentials like a cap handy for use. The fabric is made of recycled polyester. Using waste as a resource takes us one step closer to a more sustainable future. There's a mesh compartment in the front, perfect for a hat, water bottle, or shawl. And one thing that makes me very happy is, this backpack can be bought for only $29. If you are looking for an affordable and good backpack, then this Ikea Pivring bag can be your choice.